Welcome to Youthful Habits TV, where we explore the latest science-backed tips and tricks for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Our mission is to help you achieve optimal health and well-being through nutrition, fitness, and positive habits. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. If you have any suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. Hair loss, including male pattern baldness, is a common problem that affects people of all ages and genders. While genetics and hormonal changes are the primary causes of hair loss, a poor diet can also contribute to the problem. One of the key factors in male pattern baldness is the hormone dihydrotestosterone, DHT, which can damage hair follicles over time. By eating a diet rich in nutrients that promote hair growth and reduce DHT levels, you can prevent hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. One of the most important nutrients for hair growth is protein. Hair is made of a protein called keratin, so consuming adequate protein is essential for healthy hair growth. Foods such as lean meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products are all excellent sources of protein. Vegetarians and vegans can also get protein from plant-based sources such as beans, nuts, and tofu. In addition to protein, consuming foods rich in vitamins and minerals is essential for preventing hair loss and reducing DHT levels. One vitamin that is particularly important for hair growth and reducing DHT is vitamin D. Research has shown that people with alopecia, a type of hair loss, often have lower levels of vitamin D in their blood. Foods that are high in vitamin D include fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods such as milk and cereals. Iron is another nutrient that is important for healthy hair growth and reducing DHT levels. Iron deficiency is a common cause of hair loss, especially in women. Iron is necessary for the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to the body's tissues, including the hair follicles. Foods that are high in iron include red meat, poultry, fish, beans, and fortified cereals. Another mineral that is important for healthy hair growth and reducing DHT levels is zinc. Zinc plays a vital role in the growth and repair of tissues, including the hair follicles. Foods that are high in zinc include oysters, red meat, poultry, beans, and nuts. Finally, consuming foods that are rich in antioxidants can also help prevent hair loss and reduce DHT levels. Antioxidants help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging and hair loss. Foods that are high in antioxidants include berries, leafy greens, nuts, and beans. In conclusion, eating a diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, as well as foods that reduce DHT levels, is essential for preventing hair loss and promoting healthy hair growth. By consuming foods that are high in these nutrients and low in DHT-promoting compounds, you can keep your hair looking healthy and vibrant. If you are experiencing hair loss, it is always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Thank you for watching this episode of Youthful Habits TV. We hope you found it informative and useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. If you have any suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. And remember, making small, positive changes to your lifestyle can lead to big improvements in your health and happiness.